Hi, welcome to this session on CAT 2020 LRDI solutions. This is a 4 variable Venn diagram which came up in CAT 2020 slot 3. This is one of the questions which was more doable in this particular slot which everyone was riling about. I would suggest if you have not tried this set, please pause this video, have a look at the questions and the answer key. The link will be available in the description of this video. Once you have tried this set on your own, then proceed with the rest of this session. Before I start, in case you have not done it already, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please do hit the like button in case you like this particular video. Please do comment and let us know how you liked these solutions and the ones which follow. Also share this with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. You can also follow us on various other social media channels like LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. All the relevant links are available in the description of these videos. In case you're preparing for the CAT 2021 examination, do have a look at our Ultimate LRDI course. This is the most comprehensive course for CAT LRDI available in the market. We have more than 500 LRDI sets with detailed and well explained video solutions. We also provide you with one-on-one mentoring. You get a chance to review your CAT preparation throughout your CAT journey, and in case you get stuck, you get a chance to speak with me individually and get your doubts resolved. We have prompt doubt clearing, discussion forums, WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Everything is available all in one roof. Do have a look at that course. The link is available in the description of this video. Let's get started. This set says a survey of 600 schools in India was conducted to gather information about their online teaching learning processes, OLTP. The following 4 facilities were studied. So F1, F2, F3, F4. Okay, the description is given: own a software, train teachers for OLTP, training materials for OLTP, all students having laptop. And the following observations were summarized from the survey. 80 did not have any of the 4 facilities. 40 had all the 4 facilities. Once you read the first 2 statements, you are pretty clear that this is a 4 variable Venn diagram, right? And then when you look at the questions, they will also confirm the part. What was the total number of schools having exactly 3 of the 4 facilities? What is the number of schools having facilities F2 and F4? What is the number of schools having only facilities F1 and F3? What is the number of schools having only facilities F1 and F4? So let's quickly draw a 4 variable diagram, okay, and fill up the various regions. First one says, so the total is 600. Total is 600, right? 80 schools did not have any of the 4 facilities. So none is 80. Okay, so the first one is taken care of. 40 schools had all 4 facilities. So all 4 is 40. The number of schools with only F1, only F2, only F3, only F4 was 25, 30, 26 and 20. So this is 25, only F2 is 30, only F3 is 26 and only F4 is 20. Okay, this is taken care of. The number of schools with exactly 3 of the facilities was same irrespective of which 3 were considered. So anything which has 3 facilities will all be the same. Exactly 3 facilities will be these 4. Right, so let's call all of them X. All of them are equal and equal to a number X, which we don't know as of now. Okay, 313 schools had F2. So F2 is 313. 26 schools had only F2 and F3, but neither F1 or F4. So F2 and F3 only. F2 and F3 only will be 26. This is also 26. Among the schools having F4, 24 had only F3. Out of the people having F4, 24 had only F3. So 24 will be only F4 and F3. 45 had only F2. F4 and F2 only will be 45. This is done. 162 schools had both F1 and F2. Both F1 and F2 will be this intersection. Right, so this total is 162. Now, if we add this up, there is another missing variable here. So this will, let's call this y. Right. So 40 plus 2x plus y equals 162. Right. This is done. And F1 was the number of schools having F1 was same as the number of schools having F4. So the total region F1 is same as the total region F4. Now there are two more missing values here. So let's call this A. Let's call this B. Okay. Now, how do we resolve this? So we have one equation in X and Y, right? And if you add F2, everything under F2, that will be another relation between X and Y. This will be 3X and this is 2X, right? So we'll be able to resolve X and Y using this. And to calculate F1 and F4, if we relate F1 and F4, we will get the values of A and B. So let's do this. So I have added the first part. The intersection is 162 and everything under F2 is 313. So if I add these values up, this I had written earlier, and when you add this, this will be 70 plus 45 is 115 plus 26 is 141. So 3x plus y plus 141 is 313. Now if you resolve this, you should get a value between x and y. So let's resolve this. So you'll get 2x plus y equals 122 and 3x plus y equals 313 minus 141. 313 minus 140 will be 173. So it will be 172 difference. Okay. Subtract this from this directly. You will get x should be equal to 50. Back substitute 100, 122 minus 100. Y should be equal to 22. So we have the values of x and y. Now let's use the last relation, which was the region under F1 is same as the region under F4. So this entire region is same as this entire region. Now the difference is this region is common. This region is common under both. So sum of these four will be same as the sum of these four. So I can find the value of A directly. Let's find the value of A directly. This is 50 plus 25 is 75 plus 22 is 97 plus A equals sum of all this. That's 95, 115, 139. So A should be equal to 139 minus 97, which will be equal to 42. So the value of A is 42. Right. Now to calculate the value of B, we will not be able to do it directly. So the entire total will be 600 minus 80, which is 520. Right. 520 is this total, out of which this is the only missing value. Right. So this part is 313. We don't need to add this separately. This is 313. 313 plus 50 is 363. 363 plus 20 is 383. This total is 383. Now, how much is this total? 50 plus 42 is 92. 92 plus 25 is 117. Right. So this adds up to 500, which means the balance B should be equal to 20. Right. So I have found out all the regions in the diagram. I should be able to answer all the questions pretty easily. Right. So let's quickly tick them off. What was the total number of schools having exactly 3 of the 4 facilities? Exactly 3 will be these 4 regions, each of which is equal to 50. 50 into 4, 200, option 3. Okay. What was the number of schools having facilities F2 and F4? So the common region between F2 and F4. 100 plus 45, 145, 185, option 1. Question 3, what was the number of schools having only facilities F1 and F3? Intersection between F1 and F3 and only under this region. So that is 42. And what was the number of schools having only facilities F1 and F4? Only in F1 and F4. This region, 20. Right? Pretty straightforward question. Very easy to identify that it's a 4-variable Venn diagram. Not too difficult to work. In an exam situation, max 8 to 9 minutes if you're a little patient. A moderate, easy to moderate bordering on moderate because it's a 4-variable Venn diagram, a must attempt set, especially in this particular slot. That finishes this session on CAT 2020 LRDI solution. Do let us know how you found these particular set of solutions. In case you want to look at more such solutions, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on various social media groups. The links are available in the description of this video. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and all the best.